Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now just been trading live with binary option again here at YouTube, and we have done amazingly today. But before I get to the result and all these good things, make sure you join with the broker I'm using so you can copy my trades when I trade live. You find a link below the video to this broker, and you also get a promo code below the video that gives you 200% on the first deposit. So make your first deposit count, okay? Also, help me out. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell notification. The reason you need to turn on the bell notification so you never lose a live stream from me. I trade live every single day, Monday till Friday, okay? And in Saturdays I trade live at Discord. You find a link below the video for Discord channel also. Now let's get to the good things. Let's see the results of the trading we have done today. As you can see here now, this is the trades we have done live. We basically have done we did one wrong trade here. I was playing a little around with the numbers to check out with cent account and all this, how much, basically to check that. So we get one $10 trade, we won that one also, but let's take one more time. We have win rate of, let's see, we have done so many trades today, it's crazy. There, let me see now, we have 31. There, we lost the first trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 trades. So we did 14 trades and we lost just 2 trades. That means we have 12 winners out of 14 trades. That is a very high win rate. So you can easily copy what I'm doing. Basically, the way I trade, I put a line like you see here. I will tell you where I put the line. And basically, when you come to this line here, I will say, when this bar comes down here, you're supposed to push the up button. I put the color scheme same as the button you're going to push. Like if I put a line up here, let's say up here, looks a little interesting. Then I'll do it like this. I put a line up here, for example, there. I will turn that one to red if you're trading it. Then I'll say, like, if you come up to this red line here, we'll push the down button. It's that simple to follow. Now this was a bad example, of course, because he might break it. Typically, I turn it to a blue color till at least I see that this one tests it and maybe test it one more time, and then I will turn it to a red color when we are trading it. That's how we do it. And I have a 30-second close. And when I trade on the normal pairs, like this one you see here, I trade on 1 minute close, okay? So you can see we are trading this one also, do you see? So that's it. It's so simple to follow, and I hope I see you tomorrow. And make sure you open an account with AccuSense. You find the link below the video, like I said, and make sure you use the promo code to get 200% on your first deposit. I hope I see you tomorrow, and let's make some money together. Have an amazing day.